Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D cube in video on CapCut PC. So you're just going to grab your logo. You can grab any logo you want. Actually, let's just try using this one for a change. And you can just straight away go to the animation, but I'm just going to show you how to make it look a little bit cooler. So go to effects and search for neon, and you're going to add that on there. Then you're going to find edge glow, and you're just going to add that on top like that first, and then I'm going to go to media. I'm going to then add in the glow color underneath. Go to blend mode and select linear burn. And then I'm just going to delete that. You can also adjust how glowy you want it to be, I guess. You can also like not have the neon outline and have it just glow like that, but it's totally up to you. Select everything actually, right click, create compound clip. And then I'm just going to go to the animation section. Go to combo and select the 3D cube one, like these ones. And oh, actually, yeah, make sure it's like longer, maybe like 3 seconds. And then you can go ahead and do that. I'm also going to add in like a canvas at the back so you guys can kind of see. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!